Welcome to Kenzai Band Camp. Today we're talking about how to activate your back muscles using the resistance band. Now when we say back, we mean mostly this big lat muscle, the latissimus dorsi. This is a muscle that pulls your body into things, right? Or pulls your body up to things. That's why the pull-up is the most effective back exercise. It's pure body weight back activation. However, pull-ups are not often available to us, or maybe you can't do them at all, and that's fine. We're gonna get stronger with the resistance band. Of course, the trademark back exercise is the row. So we're gonna take our band about belly button height, get some good resistance in the elastic here, and pull back. Simple row, extremely effective. What a lot of people do is they'll make a shallow row. This misses the point. You wanna get all the way back here. That's when the lats activate. And because the resistance band is getting harder and harder to pull, the longer it is, I'm getting the most resistance at the highest point of activation of the back. So this is really, really effective. Simple row. And of course you can change the grip to a hammer grip. That'll hit the lat a little different. And to even a palms up grip, which will tend to focus on the upper part of the lat. All right, what else can we do with this band? Well, we can take it over a top post or over the top of your door and access a whole different range of moves. For example, I can turn my palms open like this, keep my hands nice and close, and pull in. We call this a close hand downward row. What this is doing is activating the lower part of my lat right here to suck those elbows down. Really, really effective. From here, you can also, like you would see in a gym, just do a simple pull down. Great preparation for pull-ups. The key here is to keep your elbows behind your head. If you're doing this, you're kind of getting a mismatch of biceps and shoulders, but this is pure lats all the way down. So imagine there's a glass wall here that my elbows cannot go in front of. All right. Let's say you don't have an anchor point. You can still get a great back workout. This is what we call the turkey wing. Standing on the band, I'm gonna lift just the elbow. This is hitting more the back area of the trapezius muscle, but the lats are also getting some action. If you call it turkey wing, because imagine you have a big wing here, and it's moving like this. The key is to not get your elbows involved. You want elbows stuck as if they're in a cast, and it's the back that's lifting that action. So there's just a few ways to hit your back with the resistance band. That few minutes of exercise I just did, I can feel my lats are burning. So it's extremely effective, and give it a try today.